Pakistani opener Azhar Ali shared an image of his kids with Indian captain Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni and Yuvraj Singh on Twitter with thanking a caption. This image was posted a day after Pakistan beat India by 180 runs to win the ICC Champions Trophy 2017 title. Earlier also, before the final clash between India and Pakistan, a picture of MS Dhoni sharing fame with Pakistani captain Sarfraz Ahmed's sons Abdullah went viral, winning millions of hearts on social media, proving that players are known to share warm relation outside the pitch. Despite all the differences being called as arch rivals, the players know how to respect each other. They might be considered as enemies on the field, but they seem to have pretty good relationship with each other off the field. News Desk.